Offensive stance. Good. Good. Defensive stance. Defensive stance. There we go. Defensive stance. Good. Everything you do in Muay Thai starts from the basic stance. From kicking to punching to elbowing to defense to proper footwork. In this tutorial, we're going to show you multiple ways to stand, the advantages and disadvantages of all of them, and ways that you can implement them into your game to make you that much better. We know that you're going to enjoy this. Here we go. So to give the students and you a visual aid, we're going to use this hand wrap. It goes right down the center of you for everything you do. So we call it the proverbial center line. First thing that I want you to do at home is put our feet together. We go shoulder width apart. We go half a step back. The front foot isn't 12 o'clock. We want the front foot just a little bit open, just like that, not too much. Right there. So now that we have our feet, what do we do with our hands? Bodyguards. We go one bodyguard and two bodyguards. The hands go by your eyebrows. Here, I see quite a few beginners when they start off, they say, okay, put your hands up. They say, put your hands up, put your hands up. And they put their hands up, but it's flat across. Meaning that anybody can jab right down the middle, anybody can dot your eye, elbow, because your hands are flat. No good. We want one bodyguard. He goes first, elbow out. Two bodyguards, just like that. The chin is tucked, not up, not down, but tucked. And that's how we stand in Muay Thai, just like that. Now that you have the Muay Thai basic day number 1 stance, we're going to give you a few variations of that stance. And you can decide which one is best for you. First variation that I'm going to give you guys, you still have the same basic day number 1. Instead of having the guards 1 and 2, you're going to turn your palms outward. With the feet, instead of doing it the day number 1 way, you're going to put more weight on the back foot. Basically sitting on the back foot. If this was a chair, my back foot was a chair, this is me sitting on it. Come on, touch, bang, right here. This is more of a defensive stance. Off the ground for offense. Down for defense. Yep, up. And the majority of the weight on the back leg, it's not straight. No, it's about a 45-degree angle. The leg is not super straight, it's bent. That's going to give you a little bit of spring. If they push you, you'll have a little bit of spring in that back leg. Good. Here, right there, that's my stance. Block, bang. Bang, good. It's a few attacks I can do from there, but this is more defensive. This is my stance for defense. If you pull out the line, this is what it'll look like. With this one, it's about a quarter of your foot. This is half, this is whole. A quarter of it. My front foot, this way, that way I can block the leg kicks. Palm, palm. That's how we stand. It is easy to step back. Bob, we're more defensive. Your back leg shouldn't be straight. Just put the weight, set on the back leg. We can do our teeth from here, teeth, bye, step, bang, move, step, fake. That's how we stand on that one. Stance number 3, it's a little bit more offensive. You'll still use those same principles, feet together, shoulder width apart, half a step back. Instead of having your back foot down on the ground for defense, I want you to have the back foot off the ground for offense. With the hands, it's still the same. My hands are up by my eyebrows, but the right hand is going to be pent a little bit tighter than the left. That's what I mean. My right hand is more tight, more pent. Right hand up, a little bit tight. Your lead hand is more of a range finder, and the palm is still up. Me and Tito were sparring or fighting. I'm here, up. My back foot is off the ground. It's kind of like you're in a run position. Back foot is off the ground, so we're looking for more offensive. I'm in a run position. This is a little bit less defensive minded, but it's very effective and very good for aggressive, and you want to score those points. So I'm touching from my distance, bang, from here. Leg kick, body kick, fake kick, punch, everything. Wow. Offensive minded on this stance. Unlike the defensive mind, where we have the back foot on the line, this back foot is going to be here behind us. So it's not going to be under your shoulder. It's going to be a little bit beyond your shoulder, and it's off the ground like a spring. Okay, with that front leg, you don't want it super straight. Remember, on the front foot, the toes don't go forward. I want you to have your toes open just a little bit. That way you can spring into that kick. In the hands, right hand is going to be tight. Left hand's a little bit loose because this is your range finder with your palm open. So it's very easy to move. He come forward, Bob, I'm step back. Move, step, I'm light on my feet. Easy. Step back, step forward, you shuffle. Bob. Good. Shuffle, Bob. Shuffle, Bob. Here, Bob. Keep that hand tight, protecting with our elbows. They're gonna protect the ribs, so we never have flared elbows. Nice and strong, Bob, looking at the waist, not the face. That's stance number 3. We've given you all 3 of the Muay Thai basic stances. The day number 1 stance, which is a good overall stance, defensive-minded stance, and the offensive-minded stance. Let's move around a little bit, Tito, and a little bit game speed, and we're gonna use all 3 of the guards interchangeably. I want you to do the same next time you do your sparring at your own gym. Try all 3, then let us know which one worked out best for you. You ready? Here we go. Good. You can now get all of our Muay Thai content with early access and also the full version of each upload. All you have to do is click the link in the description or the pinned comments. Over 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai just for you. Hit that shop link, guys, for all of your KMA apparel and Muay Thai training gear. And for more Muay Thai content that we have on our channel, all you have to do is click this video right here. It's gonna give you our full playlist. We know that you're gonna enjoy it.